what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this modern coffee table, and my initial reaction after the assembly is that this thing is awesome. With no pun intended, this coffee table highlights an adjustable LED light system with 2 storage shelves and pull-out storage drawers that light up. It's also available in an espresso color, as you see here, black, and a white color as well. Now inside the box, you'll find the remote control in which you can adjust the brightness and the different color schemes. You'll also find all the individually bagged hardware and also the spare parts in case you need it. Now as for the assembly, it took me just about an hour and a half to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill and following the instruction manual step by step. But the average person can expect anywhere between 2 and 4 hours for the assembly. This of course will vary depending on your skill set and the tools you use. Also, you'll find the step-by-step instruction manual. I like that they use big letters and blown up illustrations that guide you on how to orient the parts properly during the assembly. Overall, I really like this modern LED lighted coffee table with storage, and would highly recommend it to anyone looking to add an attractive and functional piece to their living space. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.